Craig Papirnyk, a 7-0 win against Llandudno. Great result at the Traeth this afternoon.
Yeah, very pleasing. I think the Caernarfon result was fresh in our minds this morning still, and we wanted to make it right. We wanted to bounce back, but more importantly, we wanted to show in our performance how disappointed we were with that result on Boxing Day. All credit to Caernarfon on the day where they were the better side and they deserved the win. Credit to Llandudno today as well. They didn't give up. They kept going all the way to the end, and they showed great character. They didn't cave in, and as I said, to get the clean sheet was important for me today personally. We've been conceding too easily of late, and then to go and finally get goals at home for the 242 that were in attendance, which is absolutely fantastic support once again. And I'd personally like to thank, on behalf of the staff, all the players this season. Every year the support has been fantastic.
An away game against Rheolwr next week is a big opportunity to show where Papirnyk have achieved this season. What can you expect against Rheolwr next week?
Oh, definitely, Dull. I think I agree with you totally there. We need to really push on now. Looking at the league table, we've dropped into the 9th position. I think today might lift us to 7th. Haven't seen the other results, but still, that's not good enough. That's not where we want to be. We want to be competing in the top end, and the likes of Rheolwr, who got another good result today and are in form at the moment, we want to go and test ourselves there, and if we can go and get a result, all of a sudden we start catching the pack that are ahead. So it's important for us to prepare right this week now, recover after today, and take the confidence into next week's performance.
At the end of the season, what is a good position for Papirnyk at the end of April this year, after a season where we've scored lots of goals and had good results? But what's a good position at the end of the season?
My ambition hasn't changed. We finished 4th last year, and I want to beat that. Anything in the top 4 will be an achievement for myself. We're still in the League Cup, we're still in the Welsh Cup, so we've got things to play for. But as I said, the objective hasn't changed. We still want to be pushing that top 4 positions.
It's good to have 14 goals against Llandudno, but one could have done 3 points today. What's your expectation of scoring goals per game? I
think our forward line is one of the best in the league, and that shows from Maylard coming on. He's on 9. Kai Jones is in the double figures now. Julian's in double figures. Brad's, I think, has got into double figures today. Joe Chapman's in double figures already. And I think it's important that those players get the rewards, really. And as a team, really, we've, as I said, to tighten up at the back, stop conceding goals as a team, and the goals we've got in the side.
One of the subs today was Matt Roberts, a youth team player. It's good to see the youth coming through at Papirnyk as well.
Very pleasing. We've had Matt and a couple of others training with us throughout the season, and today was a great opportunity for him. We've got Idon at the moment, who's been struggling with a groin. Joe Chaps is struggling with a calf. Dan Robs has hurt his knee. Rob Evans was banned today. So to have that, what's the word I want to look for? To have that belief in the kids that we've got at the club, it's important. And today Matt's gone and showed that he's more than ready, capable to be asked and called upon, and I'm sure in the future we'll see more of him.
Diolch yn fawr. Diolch yn fawr, Craig.
Diolch.